Alright guys, so let's get inside. So we have the tag here. And I want to show you the inside because that's what you are probably most interested in. But then please bear with me or stick till the end of the video because I'm gonna show you the surrounding outside because it's something really interesting that I wanna show you and talk to you about. So this is actually the room or the apartment rather. Hallway is really clean. It smells nice. All that. My neighbor's door. However, when I got here, I couldn't lock the door basically, and they gave me this lock. So, but I had to ask for it. So bear with me. I'm gonna unlock the door now. So it was very difficult to unlock it with just one hand. Now we put this card in, and this is for electricity. This is the door. It has a lock over here and a lock over here. It's like the doors in some parts of the US, front doors. This, I have a AC, a nice desk here. This is me, of course, a fridge, and I don't have much in the fridge right now, just a fresh juice and a bottle of water. It's really nice. They gave me cups. They provide you with cups. There is a roll of toilet paper and 2 bags of coffee. I don't know what was the name of this thing in English, but yeah, it boils the water for you. And then here is the room. The bed. The bed, in fact, it's really hard. Like when I sat on it for the first time, it felt really hard. But honestly, first of all, I think it's healthier to have a hard bed. It's healthier for your back, or better for your back. And second of all, I actually like it. I didn't mind. For me, the most important thing is not to be noisy in the room. Then I have a TV. And this is for the door, yeah, so you don't slam it on the wall. But yeah. Oh, by the way, guys, I do this whenever I stay at a hotel or whenever I stay anywhere. Look, this as well. I don't like the little lights from the TV or from other things like that. They just bother me. So I don't know. Am I crazy or do you guys do the same thing? Then we have a wardrobe, and then we have here the balcony, and I really like it. I know I'm in Thailand, but it looks like I'm in Colombia or something, and I truly like it. We have a little carpet here. I truly like the balcony. Now I always, when I touch anything of metal here, I always get, how do you say that? Like electric. Um, See again, electrocuted. so that always happens. I don't know why. So this is the balcony. We have a sink on the balcony. This mirror that you can up, down, however you want. Then we have the bathroom door, or toilet door rather. Very simple, but clean. Well, except for that one. But and that's not even dirt, I think it's dust. But yeah, it's clean. It smells nice, and you can I think you can also judge how clean a place is by the smell. So I really like this place, and yeah, the view, the windows here, it's just awesome. I like it. And honestly, even though I'm on what it seems like not a main street, but I thought it's like an important street. It's not like in Pattaya. Every single night you can hear motorbikes. Like even if I did not stay right on the street in Pattaya, because I did not like on the main street, I think that would be terrible. Still, you can hear a lot of motorbikes from the main street, but here it's just once in a while, and they don't seem to drive like crazy at all. This is a much more peaceful city, which I actually like, you know. So yeah. Whoops. Whoa. I hope that sound was not catch by the microphone. But this is how it looks from the other side. Yeah, this is what $12 can get you in Thailand, in some parts of Thailand, like Ayutthaya. And Ayutthaya is a very important city in Thailand for its history. It's a UNESCO heritage. So I really recommend you come here. But now let's go, and let me go outside and show you the surroundings. So let's go. I had to lock the door first. I cannot do it with just one hand. So let's go. If you are sticking with me so far in the video, I am obviously going to show you the building itself. But not only that, I'm gonna show you something else as well. So this is how the place looks like. Huh? Yeah. Small, very small. You cannot find me. So this is how the building looks like. The man asked me if I am a YouTuber. Right at the beginning, I didn't get what he asked me, and I said yes. Then I realized he asked me if I'm a YouTuber. So it's a little windy. I hope it's going to be okay with this microphone. But yeah, this is the building outside, and let's go for a walk. And I'm gonna show you around. And this is actually something Pinto recommended to me. Pinto is a subscriber to the channel. He recommended I do those tours, and I thought I'm gonna do one now because for some reason I really like the surrounding here. And the it's really nice. It's windy. In the morning it was actually cold, and it's insane. Just yesterday I was in Pattaya and felt very hot, and now I'm here in Ayutthaya. In the morning it was actually cold. I don't even have a jacket with me, but I felt like I would have needed a jacket. Look, guys, it's so interesting. They have Line. It's like WhatsApp. For those of you that know what WhatsApp is WhatsApp is like an app, communication app. But it's very interesting. I've never seen something like this, giving your Line ID and actually have it ingrained on the building. That's very interesting. But yeah. So it was very cold in the morning, but now it's very nice. There is a little bit of wind. I still wear shorts and a t-shirt, but it feels amazing, and I really like it. It's so peaceful here. But look, guys, for some reason, I'm just fascinated about this building and that building and this area, you know. And I think that building looks like a building from that was built by the communists in Eastern Europe, so it reminds me of home, and that's definitely one of the reasons. But I don't know, it's so weird. And let me know if you feel the same. Like, I'm not as fascinated about the big cities. I do want to go and visit, of course, and see things, but I'm more fascinated about simple things like these. Like that building, for example. I just came here earlier in the morning and just stared at the building and, walk across this dust road, and I was thinking, man, this is crazy. I am in Thailand. It's amazing. It's just some feelings that you cannot explain. But yeah. Look. And for some people it might sound crazy. Maybe even you watching, you think, man, this guy is nuts. What is there to like about these? But I don't know. I cannot explain it. And so this is the area. The air feels so, like I never spoke or never thought that, or never experienced air quality differences, and never spoke about that. But man, I feel like the air is so fresh here compared to Pattaya. I don't know. Maybe if you've been other places in Thailand, maybe you've been to Pattaya and other places as well, let me know what you think. But the air here feels so fresh. I'm sure it's also because I'm more north and it's a little colder. Maybe that's the reason why I feel like that, but the air is just fresh. And the city, look, let me tell you, the city, I don't know if I'm gonna have the opportunity to record because I was on a motorbike,